Fabe, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm gonna share with you how to get those amazing pearl white teeth just like Hollywood without spending thousands, and you can do it at home with this simple process and also the products that I'm going to share with you. I've been using this product since middle school, so it's relevant to where I'm student use it to now to maintain my pearl white teeth. Especially in high school, I have a lot of students ask me, hey Mai, how did you achieve those white teeth? Did you go to the dentist for that? But in fact, I just use this products at home. This is Crest 3D White. Pick the one with no slip. It is so important. If you want to taste the solution of it, it's extremely horrible. I did it before. You're not supposed to swallow it. So the no slip one is super important, keep in mind. And it's going to remove 10 years of tough set and stain. So if you drink a lot of coffee, tea, wine, or smoke, you're definitely going to get those like yellow stain. You don't want those. And this is going to help for that. And it say use once a day for only 30 minutes. So I'm going to share with you a story of how I use these products for the very first time, especially those 3 days. Is that they tell me in the package to use only 30 minutes. Well, guess what? I don't listen. So what I did was after I brushed my teeth and heading to bed, I will put it on, and in the middle of the night, I will wake up and try to take it off and then brush my teeth once again because the gel and the solution in there tastes really bad. And then the next day, my teeth was extremely sensitive to hot water, cold water, anything that is not room temperatures. And throughout the day, my teeth actually get whiter in the process. And then the second day I did the same, third day I did the same, to where whenever the teacher write, something on the board, which is usually a chalkboard, oh my gosh, my goosebumps just like pop out of nowhere and I cannot listen to that. It freaked me out. Well, I recommend my method to you. I would say not really, but did it work? Absolutely. And is it safe? Who knows? I still have my teeth today, but I would not, do it ever again because it just scared the heck out of what I did before. And so I'm going to share with you how to use this like more appropriately versus how I used it a long time ago. Before I applied the whitening strips, I found it to be more efficient and actually beneficial to brush your teeth. This is the Sonicare by Philips, and I love this product because it's vibrate and it's going to take all those gunks, inside or outside your teeth. And what best about this product is rechargeable. Also is have a replacement where I buy it from Amazon. This is going to be switching like 3 times a month, so you definitely can pop in and pop out, so it's not hard at all. And then I will start with this, and especially I will use this at nighttime because I can really multitask and lay my head down, because you don't want your saliva to build all up in front of your teeth, because you definitely don't want to swallow the solution. It tastes really nasty. So I recommend you to do this at nighttime when you read a book or watch a movie or do whatever you want to do. So this brand does have a lot of different versions to as your need. This is the 5-minute touch-up. This is the gentle routine. This is going to be the Glam White, and this is going to be the Luxe Glam White. So there is definitely a lot of different price range to this, and then see which one that is going to be beneficial for you. The products that I'm going to try today is going to be the Glamorous White, remove 10 years of tough set and stain. So now for me, when I use this product, it's basically a touch-up. I don't use this product every single day, and it's not going to be good for you to try to use every single day because it's going to be bad for your enamel. Even though on the label it says safe for you, but definitely for your own safety, I would not recommend for you to use it every single day. And then when your teeth is pearl white too as you desire, then touch up as needed. So right now I have not been touch up my teeth for like 6 months. I usually do a good like 4 to 6 month increment. If I don't need it, then I don't use it. So you're going to peel it off like this and take it out. As you can see here, this is the top strips and this is the bottom strips. And what I like to do is actually try to take off the excess on the outer rim. If you have not noticed, I have something on my eyelashes. Sorry for the distractions. So the best way to apply this product, you definitely want to swallow all your saliva because the strip's going to stick better to your teeth. What I usually do is that I actually use this napkins or a towel, whatever convenience for you. And I'm going to pat it dry. This is going to help the white strips stay better on my teeth, and it's also not going to have a lot of saliva built up in there. I know that this is not the best image of me, but I really want you to learn how to put it on. And the excess, I'm going to use my finger to actually press it to the back as closely as possible. And once again, I'm going to use this tissue paper to press it on and secure and also take away the extra saliva. And then apply the same technique to the bottom of your teeth, but this part is tricky though. Make sure to have less saliva as possible in order to secure it well. That's why I do have to keep my mouth open during this point. Another thing that I actually do is using my finger and try to press against the gaps. This is going to help it secure so none of the saliva will enter there. The best thing to do at this point is actually lay down on your heads because you definitely want to push the saliva back to your throat, and this is a waiting time game. So for 30 minutes, we're going to have this on. Okay, I can't talk while I'm having this. It's just so weird. Oh god. Oh my god. Here is an example of what happened when you don't lay down. Finally, the waiting game is over. Just peel it off and take it off like this, and also at the bottom part. After 30 minutes over, I've just basically peeled the strips off, then go to the restroom, have to brush my teeth because the gel of that solution tastes extremely bad. As I mentioned to you, I don't need to apply this product into a good 4 to 6 months. And during that time, how did I able to maintain that whiteness? Is using this Colgate. This is the Optic White Stain Fighter, and it's mentioned remove 6 times more surface stain with a micro abolishing action. It's a really good product. I do use it and I do recommend it for you. I just want to let you know this product will basically better in time, which means that even 30 minutes that you apply, you would not see any changes. Wait until 24 hours, you would definitely see the significant difference. For those of you that is beginner that just started to use this product, maybe you have to use like for a good 3 to 5 days consistently. Don't over here trying to be like, okay, I'm gonna skip 1 day. But if your teeth is extremely sensitive, then yes, skipping those days, or you can basically reduce the time that you're wearing it to 15 minutes or 10 minutes. That also work too. I hope you found this video helpful. There is another 2 video waiting for you to click on. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.